Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to Docusign on Android step by step. If you need to sign documents digitally using your phone, this guide will make it super easy for you. It doesn't matter whether you're using Android or iPhone because the Docusign app works on both. So let's get started. First of all, it doesn't matter whether it is Android or iPhone. The Docusign application by Docusign Official is available on both platforms. After you've downloaded the app, open it up and make sure you are logged in to your Docusign account. Once you've done that, let's say you want to Docusign, which means digitally sign, a document on your Android phone. On the home screen, you will see an option that says Sign Document. The best part is, signing is completely free. No matter how many documents you sign or how many signatures you add, it is totally free of cost. So go ahead and tap on the Sign Document button. Now you can choose a document from your gallery. I will just select a generic PDF file from my gallery. In this case, I'm choosing a generic PDF file, but you can select any real document you need to sign. After selecting the document, tap the Next button. Now make sure it is the correct document and you will see an option that says Draw Initials or Create Signature. Here, I will tap and draw my initials. Then all you have to do is simply sign your document digitally. You can also sign on paper, take a photo of it, and upload it. The app will scan your signature and add it to the document automatically. Once everything is done, your signature will be placed on the document and you can save it. This way, you'll be able to Docusign on Android easily and quickly. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.